November 9374 Bravo. It's a Cessna 172 RG.
Okay, so this is COM 1, this is COM 2.
Right.
And
Greenville Tower, November 72254, Cessna 1.
this is COM 2, so these are your control panels up here. We want to listen to COM 2. Press COM 2.
November 72254, Greenville Tower, transition approved east of the Greenville Downtown Airport, out of the road.
Greenville Downtown Airport information, Romeo, 195 Tree Zulu weather, wind 040 at 6 knots, visibility 10 miles, sky condition few clouds, 6,000, temperature, tree, dew point, 19er, altimeter, 2997, runway 1, visual approaches are in use, advise on initial contact, you have information, Romeo.
Shut him off again.
Yep.
Back on COM 1.
29er, proceed via Echo
So,
Bravo.
COM 1?
Yep.
Noise volume?
Go right here. So, don't have the brake squelch thing on this guy either. So, you go all the way off, all the way on, and then somewhere about 3/4 away. And here. Alright, so ground is 2125, right?
Right.
There's ground, there's tower.
Right. So to switch these back and forth, that's the flop?
Yep, go ahead and flop it.
Okay.
There you go.
119.9.
Yep, and then just tell him, we'd like to do some touch and goes.
So just, what's our call sign?
Right there.
It's, do I give him the full thing or just say 74 Bravo?
Well, for initial contact, you give it full, and then afterwards it's 74 Bravo.
And then north ramp, information Romeo.
We'd like to do some touch and goes.
Like to do some touch and goes. Okay.
Yep. And I think it's. Do you have a?
There's a button there.
Yeah, it's not. You have the one on the side too.
I do.
It's the one on the side. Yeah.
Okay. Ground November 9374 Bravo. Information Romeo north ramp. We'd like to do some touch and goes and stay here.
November 9374 Bravo, Greenville ground, roger, runway 1, taxi Alpha 5 and Alpha. Cross 1028, the altimeter is 2997.
Alpha 5 Alpha, across 1028. 74 Bravo.
Okay, so I put VFR in here. It was squawking something different.
Okay. So we got ATIS, got GPS, auto's off, elevator trim is neutral.
That's rudder.
That's rudder.
There's elevator,
Right.
just like in the 172, yeah.
But that thing's heavy, man. All right, I'm gonna trust it. Flight controls, let's see, pre-taxi. Elevator set, flight controls free and correct. Everything's going up and down as it should. Altimeter set, he said it was 29.97, which is way off. 29.97, so right about there. Is that right?
Yep.
Okay. All right. Set magneto compass. It's around 2, 4, something like that. We're pretty close. No, it's actually the other way, isn't it? Should be on this side. It's backwards. Fuel quantity's fine. Navcom radio check. Transponder, you got the 1200. GPS license, flight plan, I'm sorry. No. Com, brakes, brake test, taxi.
Alright, so now taxiing is just like 172.
Okay. I got the brakes, go do a little quick brake test. Brakes are good. All right, let's get moving.
I'm going to give you just your taxi light on.
Okay.
Watch his prop.
So we're gonna pick up this one, take it right.
Yep, Alpha 5 Alpha all the way to the end. He said crossed into A. Alright, so you can see taxiing is pretty much like a 172. Yeah. The glare shield's a little higher.
It is.
You sit at it actually sits, the whole airplane sits at a tail lower angle. It's because of that big 3-bladed prop. Clear on the left. Yep. Right turn, Clyde. Alright. And
Clear us through 1028.
Yep, you're clear on this side.
All right, we are here. Brake set and lock. All right, that's takeoff. Where's the?
All right, keep going, flip it back over. Takeoff.
Oh, before takeoff, there you
Yep.
go. So safety belts locked.
Yep, I'm good on the right.
All right, I'm good on the left. Doors are locked.
Greenville ground. Diamond 278 Delta Charlie 3. Pick up flight follow.
Elevator's trim. Good.
Sure.
Full and
Yes,
rich.
sir. Can we go to
Time is in a lock.
Anderson Kilo Alpha November
Fuel pump
Delta
is
3000.
on.
Then to Pickens.
Take it.
Kilo Papa.
This one right here.
What was the question?
Is it turn the fuel pump on?
And then
Fuel pump
down,
on, check
here.
fuel pressure. Do you see the fuel pump pressure rise? Then
Yeah.
turn it back off,
Let's see.
and it goes back. So now we know the fuel pump works.
Okay. Gotcha.
You see check
Yeah,
fuel.
gotcha. And
Yep.
then off. Okay.
There you go.
We're on throttle 1800. We're going to do our magneto check. So let me close my window. All right, got the brakes.
Number 3756 Juliet, Greenville Tower, enter the left.
1800.
Runway 1, report a mile out. The altimeter is now 299.7.
Magneto's going to do left. It's going to drop. So this one here is to the left. Drop, sounds good. Both. To the right. A little rough.
That's a little rough, so let's go 2000.
Both.
Yep, both 2000, lean it out.
Is that 2997 for 278?
Looking for a drop, right?
Yep.
It's for everybody. It's
Or an increase. It's actually increasing.
Yeah, keep going though. It's there, it's your drop.
Gotcha.
And just leave it right about, go in a little bit so it doesn't stall the engine. So when you're leaning it out, it's getting more efficient. That's why you
Gotcha.
saw the rise.
Gotcha.
And then you got it too lean, and now it's choking itself, but it's burning hotter, which is going to burn that off.
All right, as that's working, we're going to do the prop cycle next. The instruments all look good. Right. That stuff doesn't matter to me. That's good. That's good. I don't see any flags anywhere. Our flaps are at 0. We'll do the carb heat here, I guess, when we're done.
Yep. All right, let's go full rich. Back to 18. Try that mag again.
Right one. Black cleaner.
Okay.
Back to both. Okay. So we got the magnetos checked. We're going to do the prop. So I want to cycle different, cycled in high RPM.
Yep, so you cycle it 3 times. So basically what we do is we pull it out, and you'll hear it drop, bog the engine, then go right back in. Back in. Let it catch back up. Do it again.
Time 278 Delta Charlie, I have departure instructions for you, advising ready.
One more time.
Ready, copy 1079.
And this is to get the oil moving?
That's right. Getting hot oil into that actuator.
Delta Charlie, after departure, turn left.
All right, now
Okay. So the prop cycle.
3000, departure frequency Greer, 118.8, squawk 5240.
Suction gauge, ducts, carb heat.
Left after departure, remain VFR and below 3000, 118.8.
That is carb heat, right?
4078 Delta.
Yep.
Time 278
Yeah, push that little button, I think.
Yeah, I tried that.
Sticking, okay.
Yeah, there it goes. All right, so. Get a drop.
Yep.
Yep. Back in.
Thomas 278 Delta Charlie, Greenville Tower, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Alright, so that's good. Suction altimeter check. We did that. So idle check. Aircraft is still going. My window's closed.
Okay.
So we're going to do normal takeoff. We're going to be 0 flaps. Carburetor here's going to be cold. We're going to do 20 full to 2,700 RPM. Nose wheel lift off at 55. Climb 70 to 80. Apply the brakes. Landing gear will come up. And flaps when safe, but we're not using flaps.
Yep. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll give it full power when we get out there. Normal takeoff roll, 55, just roll it off. You know, pull the nose up. As soon as we start to get a positive rate on the climb out, gear comes up. But right before you pull the gear up, just tap the brakes. That's so the wheels aren't spinning when they go up inside, right?
Okay.
That stops the wheel spin.
Well, let's get straight, then we'll call.
Yep.
Come on. Some more play here.
All right, so we're gonna go up on tower.
Flop.
Yep. There you go.
Tower 74 Bravo, ready for departure. 1.
November 9374 Bravo, Greenville Tower, runway 1, clear for takeoff. You can make left traffic.
Clear for takeoff. We'll make left traffic. 74 Bravo.
Okay. All right.
So 3756 Juliet, traffic just off the end of 28, making a turn towards Anderson's a Diamond.
Watching for traffic, 562.
78 Delta Charlie, traffic heading to your left on the dog leg to final 1 at 1,800 feet to Cessna.
Clear.
Yep.
Looking for traffic inside, Diamond 8 Delta Charlie.
Diamond 8 Delta Charlie, roger, contact rear.
Over to rear, 118.8, Diamond 8 Delta Charlie.
November 56 Juliet, clear to land runway 1.
Alright, clear to land, runway 1, 562.
Full power.
All right, oil pressure is good.
Oil pressure is good. Little right rudder.
Airspeed's alive.
Airspeed's alive. We're at 40. We're at 50. We're at 55. Rotate.
Yep. All right, positive brake, gear comes up.
Positive brake, gear up. Climbing at 70. A little right rudder there. Climbing at 75. Climbing at 80. All right, that's our altitude and left traffic.
374 Bravo, keep a tight pattern this time. I got a citation supposed to be coming off of Donaldson. I'm never quite sure when, but he'll be moving fast when he gets there more.
Okay, we'll keep it tight, and if we need to do something, just let us know.
Thank you.
All right, coming up on 1,800 feet. This thing climbs fast.
It does.
So, all right, so just power on back. About 20 inches of manifold pressure.
Yep, I'm watching.
All right, so get that, there you go, get that power back, that'll help.
All right, back to our altitude here. So we're at
Greenville Tower, Cessna 56 Juliet. I'm heading to the tower ramp.
November 56 Juliet, left Alpha 5, you can taxi the ramp with me.
Left Alpha 5, 56 Juliet.
It's a bit smoother with a 3-blade prop
November
as well.
74 Bravo, clear touch and go, runway 1.
Clear for touch and go on runway 1, 74 Bravo.
all right, we seem to go slow down a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit more. All right, coming up on the approach end of the runway. So you'll go carburetor heat on.
All right, just getting these thermals here. Carburetor heat on. I think sticking. 10 flap.
Back to about 1500 on the manifold pressure, about 15.
About 1500? Yeah, it's right there.
Alright, 10 flaps.
10 flap.
And let's drop the gear. So we're going to do what's called a GUMP check. GUMP, gear.
Gear.
So
90 knots.
So gas.
Gas.
Undercarriage, we have a green light.
Alright, we'll make left turn.
Mixture and prop, they're both forward. Alright, so flaps 20 on the base.
Speed is 80.
Yep.
About 1700 on the manifold.
Anywhere around 15, 17, somewhere in that range.
Alright, we'll go ahead and turn final.
Okay, final flaps.
High.
Yep, so pull some power. Alright, and as you turn final, you do a GUMP check again.
Okay.
Gas is on both. Undercarriage. Yep. Gear's down and locked. We have a green light. I have a gear out my window.
Yep.
Gas undercarriage, mixture prop. So always do that GUMP check at least twice in the pattern to make sure you don't land with the gear up.
Yeah.
That'll ruin your day.
So what's our landing speed, 70?
70's good.
November 0155, ground has you loud and clear.
Just trying to get down to altitude here.
Yeah, you're doing good. There, it's coming in.
Alright.
Alright, over the numbers, you can just ease the power out, just like in the 172.
Alright, power's coming out.
And then just drive it down the runway.
Oh, that was a little bit hard, wasn't it?
A little bit, that's alright.
Alright, so
flaps up.
Flaps up.
Full power. Carburetor heat in.
Carburetor heat in. And full power.
Yep.
Oil pressure's good. 60, 55. I'm not getting it off.
There you go.
Okay.
Positive brake, gear up.
Positive brake, gear up.
Granville Tower, point center 560 is airborne off Donaldson, information Romeo, inbound full stop.
Was there 560 runway 1, clear to land out.
It's a lot different.
7, clear to land runway 1 for point center 560.
It's a lot different. I'm climbing at 80. It's fast.
It is fast, yeah, much faster.
46 off Century Tower.
You're doing good though. For very first landing, it wasn't that bad.
I flared a little too high, I think. So
well, you flared fine, and then we blew.
Yeah, we blew.
And you just got to get used to the weight difference. So, no big deal.
All right, we're at 500, so make a left turn.
Yep.
Still climbing at 80.
And what you can do is ease power back to 25 on the manifold once you're in the turn.
Okay.
That'll help keep you from screaming up too high again.
Okay.
Things happen a lot faster in this airplane, so.
It does. We'll go ahead and keep the tight turn here. All right, we're coming up to pattern altitude.
All right, so power back to about 15, 17, somewhere in that range, about 17, 18. Somewhere on the manifold pressure, just so we don't go screaming down on downwind. All right. And we're looking for the citation.
All right, I'm at 2,000. We're about altitude, right? Nose, trim that down just a little bit. All right, we're at 1,800 on RPM, I mean the manifold. 1,800, we seem to be there.
All right, let me make a call here.
Number 74 Bravo is number 2, following citation, mile and a half straight in.
Okay, we're looking for the citation, 74 Bravo.
I think in sight.
In sight.
Number 74 Bravo, number 2, follow citation, clear touch and go.
Number 2 behind him for the touch and go, 74 Bravo. Okay. All right, so as we get a beam the numbers.
We're beating the numbers.
Carburetor heat on.
Carburetor heat on.
Power back.
Power back.
15 on the manifold.
15. 10 on flap.
And gear down.
And gear down. And our speeds.
All right, so now let's do that GUMP check again, right? So gas.
Gas.
Undercarriage. We have a green light.
Undercarriage.
And look out the window. Do you see a wheel on your side?
I do.
Okay, so gas, undercarriage, mixture, prop. That's the MP.
Okay.
Gas, undercarriage, mixture, prop. They're both full forward.
Okay. I'm going to make our left.
All right.
We're at 90. Go a little further here, so I'm going to keep us at that.
Yep. Flaps 20 on base.
Flaps 20. We're at 80. He's down on the runway.
Yep. And flaps to full on final. And then as you get on final, we do that GUMPS check again, right?
Right.
So gas is?
Gas is both.
Undercarriage.
Positive 560 right
Down
above,
and locked, we got a green light.
Got a green light.
Bravo
Mixture
quarter,
prop.
point center 560, good day.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, we're at 80, should be at 70. We're at 3. A little low. Coming in. All right, 2 lights. Looking good. Pull back a little speed. A little power, getting a little high. Way high.
All right, so pull that power out.
Yeah.
Push that nose down to the numbers. There you go. Drive us down to the runway. All right, then powered idle.
Powered to idle. Little bird.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Flaps up.
Flaps up.
Carburetor heat.
Carburetor heat in. Full power.
Yep.
$60. Oh.
There you go.
So what am I doing?
Pull that nose up a little bit. All right, pause the rate, gear up.
We're doing 80. So how did I stall it?
You didn't stall it, just the stall warning is
Okay.
a little bit sensitive. You're not used to it because in the 172, half the time it doesn't even work.
Right.
So you'd hear it normally there too.
Okay.
You're fine.
Okay.
You can climb out about 75-ish.
All right. We're climbing right at about 80.
That's fun.
All right. Coming up on our turn, 500.
All right.
Left turn. We're at 80.
And tower 9374 Bravo.
Yes, sir.
Hey, can we take a right turn and head out west for a bit?
74 Bravo, cruise requested.
All right, we'll talk to you in a bit. Thank you. All right, head out 270, climb up 2,500 feet. Looks like that rain's staying north, so
Okay.
I want to go out and play with different power settings for you.
Sure. So you said 270.
Yeah, that's screwed up. Just head, you know,
Okay.
somewhere that direction. 250 is fine, 260.
Whatever it takes.
Yeah, just don't, we don't want to go towards the rain, but just
Gotcha.
get out. Up to 2,500 feet.
November 20155, reasonable ground runway 1, taxi via Alpha 3 and Alpha. Rainbow altimeter is 29907.
All right, coming up on 2,500.
Okay.
We're going to lower the nose. And then we're going to bring our manifold pressure back to about 23.
All right, 23.
All right, and then start rolling your prop back to about 24. Hear the engine?
I did.
Take all that pressure off it.
And we started climbing a little bit, so what's the best way to correct?
Just
goes
down.
down?
Yep, just like normal. Because as we speed up, we're going to climb.
Right.
And I'm going to lean you out just a little bit so we don't get that dirty ag again.
All right, so range over there, so I want to stay left?
Yep, we're fine.
Well, I see some stuff over here too, so.
Yeah, we're good. Okay, so now we're cruising. We're already accelerating through 110 knots.
Yep.
And as it gets energy and starts accelerating, it's going to want to keep climbing, so you'll continually, trim down just a little bit.
About 25, 23.
Yep. So as long as your manifold is lower than your prop, you're in good shape. They can be equal or, as long as the prop's higher.
Okay.
And this is it. I mean, you see we're all, even down at this low altitude, we're 120 knots, right?
Yeah, it's fast.
It's a fast airplane. All right, give me a right turn towards the rain a little bit. Just so you feel the airplane.
A little bit heavier.
It is heavier, yep.
I think I want to stay away from that.
Yeah, it's just rain. It's no thunderstorm, so we're all right. But I can make a back left turn.
So now to slow down, what's the step?
Pull the power out.
Pull a little power out.
Yep.
Okay.
So you can pull it down to like 20 or even 1800 or 18 inches. I mean.
Yeah, it's at 20 right now.
Yeah. It's too bad this is here. I'd like to get us to climb. I'll show you. It really climbs well.
Yeah, that's okay. We got next week. We'll take it out again.
Yep. All right, want to go back and do a couple touch and goes?
Yeah, let's do that.
All right, swinging the sun around. Now I'll get my call. And Tower 9374 Bravo, we'd like to come back in for more touch and goes.
Tower 9374 Bravo, roger, enter the left base runway 1, report a mile.
Call you a mile left base on 74 Bravo. It's pretty though, isn't it? The way the sun's coming through that rain.
Yeah, it's a lot more airplane, that's for sure.
Yep.
It's funny, you don't realize kind of how basic that Cessna is until you, at 172, until you get something a little bit more than it, I can imagine only goes from here up.
Greenville Tower, Cessna 20155, runway 1, ready for takeoff.
November 20155, Greenville Tower, runway 1, clear for takeoff. Make right traffic, first pass.
Right traffic 20155, clear for takeoff.
All right, see that church steeple in front of us?
Yeah, to the right?
No, not the one to the right, the one right in front of us.
Right there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
That's a perfect base.
Okay.
Just head for him.
Oh, you mean this one? I got you.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's two of them right there.
That's right, and that
Yeah.
one, you're too close to Donaldson when you're
Okay.
on that one. So that one's a great left base, I'm sorry, left. That's a great left base when you go right over that one.
Okay. So at this point, I want to bring it down so that I put this to full.
Well, so here you go, descent. Fuel
So-
selectors both.
Fuel us both.
Power slowly reduce.
Power slowly reduce.
Again, as long as our prop is more than our power, we're in fine shape.
Okay. So I'm at like 1800 right there.
Yeah, something like that, 1800.
And then I put this full.
But we do that on the GUMPS check, right?
Okay.
Gas, undercarriage, mixture, prop. So what you can do is actually come even more back on the power to get it slow, see, because we're still at 120 knots, right?
Yeah, I'm at
Yeah.
1400 here.
Okay, so what you can do is level off, stop our descent, that'll bleed off our airspeed. Watch this. Level off at 2000 for a minute. See our airspeed coming back into the red?
Yep.
Okay, so let's do this. Let's go mixture full, prop full, and now we're in a place where we're under control a little bit, right over that
Boy,
church
I just
steeple.
felt that nose change too.
Yep.
All right, so we're at 90. A little slow, right?
Now you're fine. 90 to 100 is good.
Okay.
Because we're in the flap operation and the gear operation range, right?
Okay.
So that's where
So
we
we're
want
at
to be.
powder altitude.
Yep.
Got the nose trimmed up a little bit.
All right. So now we're getting into where the base would normally be had we come down on
So carb,
downwind. Yep. So put a carb on.
then 1500. Or
You're already there.
Yeah, I'm already at 1500.
So flaps at 10, and then drop the gear. Then we do this GUMPS check. See right here, GUMPS.
Yep. So
Gas is on both. Undercarriage.
Undercarriage.
I got a wheel
I got a wheel.
and a green light.
Green light.
Mixture's full.
Mixer's full.
Prop's full.
20.
74 Delta's about a mile and a half base.
Number 74 Bravo, clear touch and go on the go make left traffic.
You know my tail number better than me. Clear for the touch and go, 74 Bravo. Okay.
Number 155, I'll call you base.
Call base 155.
All right, so I'm at 80.
Good, good. Flaps are 20. Now we're on a normal base, just like we would be had we come on the downwind.
Right.
And here we go.
All right, so make left turn.
Yep.
Flaps 30.
Yep. And then as you come into there, we'll do another GUMPS check just to make
All right,
sure.
So gas, undercarriage,
Got a green light.
mixture.
Yeah, and the undercarriage is gears down, lights on, I see a wheel.
Okay.
Because we don't know about the nose wheel, right? We can't
No.
see that, so that's the only that green light is what tells us that all three gears
Number
are.
155, turn base.
Clear base 155.
Perfect, look at that, red and white. All right, final checks are good. Gears down and locked, runway's clear.
Number 155, you see the traffic just going across the numbers.
All right, speed's perfect. We're right on this profile.
All right. Power's out.
Number 155, how do you hear me?
Say again,
All right.
155.
So carb heat in.
Number 155, how do you hear me?
Full power.
Power.
I hear you well.
Number
Right.
155, do you see the traffic on the runway?
I see the traffic 155.
November 155, follow that Cessna into left traffic. You're clear, touch and go.
Clear, touch and go, follow the Cessna
Clear.
to left traffic, 155.
Positive rate, gear up.
Yep, positive rate is when that needle gets above the 0.
Okay.
Right? Gears coming up.
Gears up and lock.
Yep. Bit of a right turn, you're drifting left off the runway. There we go.
Clear, tower, 155 is going to go around.
Roger.
All right, left turn.
Yes, sir.
Airport 4, cross 1028, tower M, south ramp.
All right. Alright, we're at 1800, we're on the downwind, we're at a good speed, everybody's happy.
I'm happy. A lot going on for me, but I'm happy.
Yeah, a little more work in this airplane.
A little more work.
But normally you're not doing touch and goes in a plane like this,
That's
right?
true.
You're taking off and you're going somewhere. So
Right.
it's a little bit of work at the beginning and a little bit of work at the end, but in between,
Yep.
you're just hanging out.
All right, we're coming up.
Beam the
beam
numbers.
numbers.
Left to right.
So carb heat out. We're already at around 1500. 10 on the flat.
November 74, Bravo, clear, touch and go.
Clear for the touch and go, Tempo Bravo. Drop the gear.
Up the gear. Got it locked.
Alright, so
190.
I got a green light and a wheel.
Okay, so
Oh.
gas, undercarriage, mixtures,
and prop.
and prop. Okay,
Alright, base leg.
base leg. Probably a little low here. Yeah. Roll right into it.
Tunnel's clear. Alright, as you go 30 flaps.
30 flaps, so another GUMPS check.
Yep.
So gear,
Yep.
gas, undercarriage, got a wheel, props and mixture.
November 155, number 2, falls.
That's GUMP, right?
Final clear, touch and go.
Couple.
Yep.
Alright, red and white looks perfect.
Go number 2, 155.
Speed should be, what, 70?
Yeah, 80, 70, 75 in here is fine.
Okay.
You're gonna cross the threshold at about 70.
Okay.
Getting a little
Yeah,
high, so
see that.
push that nose down and pull a little bit of power out. We'll come right back down where we need to be. Looking good. And this time when you come off with the power, come nice and gently. Don't
Okay.
just snatch it,
Gotcha.
right? That'll help that transition a little bit.
Okay. Alright,
Alright, ease that power to idle. There, see, it's not as abrupt.
Right.
Oh,
that was even better.
Nice.
Alright, so that's in, that's up,
And off we go.
all that's up, and we're at full power. I'm looking for, I think what I gotta do is bring up the ground effect first. To like 60, I'll pull it up. And then hold it right there at ground effect. Got a positive rate.
Yep.
Now gear up. I think I'm taking a little too aggressive on the pull up.
Okay.
I mean, shit, you tell me.
No, you're looking good.
Now gears up and lock. Climbing at 80. Got a little smoke there.
Oh yeah.
All right, coming up to our turn.
All right, as you come into the turn, let's go back to 25 on the manifold pressure.
Right now?
Yep. 'Cause that's what we normally climb at, right at 25.
Okay.
And that'll keep us from screaming up on downwind.
About there?
Yep.
All right, we're at altitude. We'll bring it back even more.
Yeah, bring it back to 2,000, or 20, I'm sorry, 20 on the downwind, right?
Yep. 1,800, 2,000, or 20 on the mercury per inches thingy. Kind of waiting. All right, so coming up here, I'm good for landing up to this one.
Okay.
That was a pretty good bit.
You want to make this one the full stop?
Yeah, let's do
Okay.
that.
I'll wait till he clears us and I'll tell him we're full stop.
Okay, start.
Yep. 74 Bravo, I'd like full stop on this one.
74 Bravo, runway 1 cleared land, winds 3604.
Clear to land, 74 Bravo. All right, and gear down.
All right, so
Gas.
gear, gas, undercarriage.
We have a green light
We have a green light.
and a wheel in the window.
Wheel in the window.
Mixture prop.
Mixture prop.
Gas, undercarriage, mixture prop.
All right. Turn base.
All right, flaps 20 on base.
20. 20 for 80. And we'll go ahead and go.
Okay.
All right, we'll go for 30.
Okay. And at flaps 30, we do another GUMPS check.
Another GUMPS check.
Greenville Tower, Cessna
Gas,
155, midfield,
undercarriage,
full
light.
stop.
20155, number 2, following the traffic on the final, runway 1 cleared land.
Follow the traffic on the final, clear to land number 2, 20155.
Bring into the lights.
There you go.
We're back where we belong. It's funny with the Cessna, I usually get, the 172 I usually get too low.
Yeah.
With this one, I seem to be, kind of always being too high. All right, we'll try to do this smoothly here.
Yep.
Not perfect. All right, that's in, that's on.
And we'll go down probably to Alpha 5. Good work.
Thank you.
Number 74 Bravo, exit to parking.
Okay, we'll take Alpha 5 to parking, 74 Bravo. And he's cleared us all the way to parking.
Okay. Yeah, that's a lot, man. It's a lot more.
It's a lot more, but
it's not bad.
It'll become second nature, just like the 172 did.
Yeah.
First time you try to do 172, what, flaps and trim and
shit, I was
powers and right?
I was nervous as a long tail cat in a room full of rocking chairs.
Exactly. So, you know, it's just what you're used to, right?
Yeah.
This will become muscle memory too, and then it'll be easy.